Hi everyone!
Hello.
It's Claire and it's Anastasia, the queen of eyebrows from obviously Anastasia Beverly Hills. She has done one of my eyebrows here as you can see, but obviously we need to do the other one and she's going to teach you all the tips and tricks. So let's get into it and bring a pen and paper.
But for your clients that they have like few minutes to do their eyebrows.
They've only got a few seconds. They want to run out.
Exactly. They have kids. They have to get them ready for school or any other activity, and they don't have too much time. So they need to figure out what color. I mean, a caramel color would be good, or auburn. But let's see what, because sometimes if people have red undertone, warmer tone, the color gets redder all the time. So let's see how this caramel color looks on you. This is easy, so you have to know exactly where your eyebrow should begin. Above, middle of inside of the nostril. That should be the beginning of your eyebrows. Tip of your nose, middle of the iris. This should be the end. And tip of your nose, middle of the iris. This should be the highest arch. And let's connect those three marks.
What would you say for people, say if they had brown hair, do you feel like they should match their hair exactly, or do you think they should go lighter, darker?
So to create the perfect eyebrow, you need to use kind of two color to create dimension. So you use, like, envision a full eyebrow. A full eyebrow, the light is going to create a shadow on the skin, and then you see the hair strokes. So you use one color, like right now this color is a little lighter than your hair. So I'm going to create the base, and then hairs like strokes that will be the color of your own hairs, little one shade darker. So I want to create more volume on top for your eyebrows, and I want to give you a little more length to end exactly where we put the mark here, because I want your eyebrow a little longer, frames your eyes better, your face, your pretty face. And this eyebrow is a little bit lower than this one to begin with. So I want to add, if you have that problem, you always, the lower eyebrow, you fill it on top more than this one.
Yeah, there's always one good eyebrow.
Always. Yes.
One crazy one.
Exactly. And those are just the brow, the muscles pulls this more than this one. So I have my right eyebrow higher, my left is lower. So always the one that is lower, you feel more on top, and the one that is higher, you feel more on the bottom.
That's a good tip.
Trick.
That is the trick. I need all of them.
So this is caramel pen. I'm going to pinch this, and I'm going to start using hairs like strokes to create that perfect look. So to constantly, you have to pinch this because you don't want too much ink, and you want this brush to be flat enough to create those hairs like strokes. And you barely touch the skin. Like here, I use my pinky to anchor on the face and do this. It's easier to do it. You have more precision if you anchor your. Now I want to lengthen your eyebrow a little more, but because you don't have hair there, I'm going to use one color a little darker than caramel in the brow wiz, in the brow pen, and that will be a soft brown color. Okay?
Yeah, we need to fake all the hairs.
Because we need to, yes. Here. Again, pinching, mixing this and pinching. Oh, I love your eyebrows. I love this red story right here.
I was saying before that I'm very grateful to Anastasia for creating products for my hair color because it's so hard to find and not many do it right.
Yes.
Sometimes they're too orange.
You know what? It's very difficult to do eyebrow color correctly because they turn to red.
I don't want orange eyebrows. I want something that suits
your skin.
Yeah.
And again, most of the red hair, they have super warm undertone, light skin and very warm undertone. So when you use a product for that is caramel or that people think it's red enough, will make it even more red because the undertone that you have. So that's
I'm so
a
fair,
challenge. Yes, because you are fair and your undertone is warm. You have red undertone. Warm undertone, I should call it. But it's beautiful. I mean, I think it suits you so well.
Oh, thank you.
I love red hair.
Yeah, I love it as well.
I was talking before I came here with Khloe Kardashian. She changed her hair, and I think it's the best
gorgeous
color
on her. Honestly, I saw a photo and I was like, wow,
so beautiful.
That's so cool that you have so many celebrity clients just casually talking to Khloe Kardashian.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
We went to her birthday, 40th birthday, and she had that red hair, gorgeous. I think should keep it that way. Okay, now I'm going to use the brow freeze.
You love this, the brow freeze.
I love it because you know what? Locks the eyebrows and it doesn't move. Once this dries, it doesn't move.
That's what we need.
Look at you. Look how beautiful. Yes.
You're too kind. It's all the eyebrows. It just frames your face.
Completely.
Like it's a facelift. Like it just opened it up. I'm never going to look as good as this, but I'm going to be studying this video for the rest of my life, trying to get the perfect eyebrows.
Yeah, just what I was telling the clients downstairs. They should come to the salon at David Jones. They could take and tape their, when the girls will do their eyebrows, fill in their eyebrows, they could tape and go home, get the products and practice.
Yeah, so everyone that doesn't know, there's actually a new store downstairs. I'm currently at David Jones, Burke Street. They've revamped their whole beauty section, and Anastasia has actually opened her own brow studio.
Yes.
And it literally is a studio. You can get your brows done. They can give you all the tips and tricks. You get your, you get sorted.
Yes.
And like you said, you can film it. You can learn everything that you need to know how to actually use the products, what's right for you.
Yes.
It's like a one-stop shop, and it's the first one in the Southern Hemisphere.
Yes.
Which is crazy. We don't have to fly all the way to Beverly Hills.
I know. Beverly Hills came here to David Jones in Melbourne.
We are very, very blessed. Well, thank you so much. Look at that. Wow. And no, you have to come in. Everyone has to thank you for the beautiful brows. Look at that. Isn't she amazing?
Oh, thank you so much.
We are so blessed. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
I love the hair. I love the eyebrows. I love everything.
Oh, you are so sweet.
Caramel eyebrows is the best.
I was using the wrong shades, everyone. This is going to be my new look.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.